The drugs had an interesting way of educating me on how they research us and how they perceived us. To them, at first, it was like they must kinda like trick us into believing that they are like yeah, like what they are, and that we need to like take them for like this, and yeah. Then they realize no, they actually enjoy it. Like they do it for like because they like it. Because I was like I literally didn't want to stop. I was like yes, like didn't want the. I don't want the negatives. I don't want the positives. Like how can you feel that they're like wait. You are right, but and that is how they explain to me like details in their development. I mean, the question is, if you ask, can't they show you their documentation of their history? They can, they may have one, but how is it written? In what? In how do you read it? It is incomprehensible to us. What is going on with them to themselves? Just incomprehensible. They are not like us structured in this way, but they are like us intelligent because they inherited our intelligence from us taking them, and we created them kind of. And every drug creates like a collective field of the drug's vibe, and when you tap into it, you connect to the collective field. It just it's that fine structured energy that just gets magnetized around your brain. Like this ether, and it gets magnetized such that it creates these whatever structures. That just takes them and incorporates them into whatever their own sort of equivalent to metabolism is. So that's how they do it. It's invisible to us. But yeah, it is a lot in this direction. And they say that atoms aren't real and that scientists actually created atoms. They created atoms. That the substances themselves, the way they behave in nature, behave differently than they behave in laboratories. That even the periodic table isn't right per se, but is a bit skewed because the method of analyzing it forces it into this stable pattern, which is through formal logic very strict and like constrained, very constrained, and you're forcing, chemically forcing the stuff you're researching into this shape. You don't let it free. And exactly that's why you create all these structures, and they just keep on building onto each other. And there you have your own Vinder Sea. You go to another planet, they have completely different fucking science.